should you upgrade if you already have the Action 5 Pro to the Action 6? And it's like the number one question that everyone asked on my video, and it's a tough one. Yes, there is some big new features on the Action 6, mostly the 1/1.1 inch square sensor. So now I can shoot in a perfect square, and then in post, I can choose whether I want to frame 16:9 or 9:16 out of that square. That is massive. Now on here, we still have 4:3. They both have D-Log M. They both have about 13.5 stops of dynamic range. So the final image will look incredibly similar on the Action 6 than it did on the Action 5 Pro, except in low light, where the Action 6 now has that variable aperture. What that means is that the size of the hole that actually like opens up to let light into the lens, it can change. It can go down to f2, and now it can go up to f4. This guy was stuck right in the middle, kind of a compromised spot at f2.8. So this has the ability to let in more light, and it has the ability to get more in focus. There's all sorts of like other reasons why you might want the Action 6. The new macro lens is pretty sweet. You can dial this thing in down to 11 centimeters now. That's killer. Go up to people mode, go up to landscape mode. You can pretty much just keep this on your camera. Does not make it waterproof anymore. Now it's water resistant. It now has also a dual locking bit, so now it can go either way, this direction or that direction, whereas the Action 5 and 4 and 3, they can really only face one way on your mount. So there's plenty of reasons why you might go from the Action 5 to the Action 6. The square sensor and the variable aperture are like the two big ones. For me, those two things matter, and I will take advantage of them, but maybe not for you, which totally makes sense why everyone is asking,